Hi, I'm Dr. Pratik Thakkar. I'm an MD dermatologist, owner and medical director of the Center of Dermatology Excellence in Mumbai. This quick talk is going to be about one of my favorite treatment modalities called laser toning with an active Q-switched Nd:YAG laser. Laser toning is using safe and very strong and effective light energy to reduce most forms of pigmentation from your skin, whether it is natural skin pigmentation with reference to uneven skin tone or marks, or artificial pigmentation with reference to tattoo ink and pigmentation. Uh, Lasers use light energy which do not include any other harmful form of radiation, and this light is from a wavelength which is very far from ultraviolet radiation. So this does not have any kind of a health risk. It does not penetrate through and through in your body, and this is nowhere near the cancer causing radiation. So it's a very safe mode of treatment. Plus there is no chemicals used, so it's a very effective even for very sensitive skin. This laser called a Q-switched Nd:YAG laser primarily comes in two forms, the passive and the active. The passive laser is a much cheaper technology available at much cheaper rates for treatment as well. It's a small laser that looks like a vacuum cleaner, which works at a very superficial level and in a very unproductive way. The other form, active, is a much bigger technology. When you see the laser in the demo following this talk, you'll realize what it looks like. And it's beautiful. It works deep. You can make it work precisely at any depth of the skin. You can decide what kind of pigmentation you want to target, and it doesn't cause any burns or any side effects in the patient. So whenever you undergo laser toning, please make sure you know whether the laser used is active or passive. Never undergo a passive treatment, always undergo an active laser treatment. What all things can this laser be used for? A lot of patients simply do it for uneven skin tone. A lot of patients do it for specific pigmentation like a sunburn or acne related marks, even for birthmarks and related pigmentation. A lot of patients just do it for open pores and glow. It's one of the treatments which we call a lunchtime treatment. People come from their offices, get it done and go back to the office. So there's no downtime. There may be a little redness for a day or so. This treatment is also one of my favorite treatments for giving your skin that instant glow before any important function like a marriage or an important meeting. You can also use the same laser for tattoo removal. Among tattoos, this laser works very well for black ink. It also works fairly well for red ink. The other colored inks unfortunately don't respond that well to these kind of technologies. It's a little unpredictable when it comes to colored tattoos, and that is not only true for this laser, that's true for all lasers that are used for tattoo removal. This treatment called laser toning has a lot of modifications to it. One of them is a simple laser toning, quick, takes barely 10 minutes for your entire face and neck, and suitable for most patients. The other modification is called a Hollywood peel, where carbon powder is applied on the face and then the laser is done. Again, this is something that I will be demonstrating to you shortly, which will give you a better idea. The advantage of carbon laser toning is that it also tightens your skin a little, reduces your open pores, and makes your skin feel supple in addition to the reduction in pigmentation. The disadvantage is it is not very suitable for very sensitive skin. For sensitive skin, a plain laser toning is much safer. The other modification is when you do this laser for specific lesions like a birthmark or a tattoo, where it is done in a very different way. My favorite modification of this laser is called InstaBrilliance Pro. Now this is a treatment that we have developed ourselves at the Center of Dermatology Excellence, where the first step is skin polishing using either microdermabrasion or hydrofacial or any other forms of skin polishing which may be most suitable for your skin. The second step is laser toning, and the third step is a gentle massaging and mask application to give you that final bit of pampering. So when you're doing this, you don't need to additionally do any facials or any other parlor treatments if you have a function coming up. Now, like I said, this laser targets pigmentation anywhere. So if you're doing it for your face, one more hidden advantage of this laser is it also bleaches and burns out tiny facial hairs on the face. And unlike a chemical bleach where your hairs are golden and visible, here the hairs bleach and they wither off and fall off. So if you have an event coming up, not only will this laser give you a brilliant glow, it will also save you the hassle of undergoing a facial and bleach separately. What are the downtime and side effects of this treatment? Like I said, it's used for a lot of things. Now when I have to use a slightly stronger energy, when I'm targeting a specific pigmentation, like medical conditions like lichen planus pigmentosis or an allergy related pigmentation, then you may have a little redness for a day or so. Your skin may appear a little dull for the following 2 days, and then you will get back your glow in 3 days time. However, if I am doing it simply for rejuvenation without any specific pigmentation indications, if you are doing it just for glow, detanning, or just for a mild uneven skin tone, then you will barely have a little redness for 2 to 3 hours and then you're good to go. When do I advise to get it done if you have a function coming up? As far as possible 2 days prior. But even if you are late for it, if you come to me the morning of the function, we can still manage and get your skin ready by evening. I'll see you in the demo. Thank you. Hi, so today I'm going to demonstrate to you the very popular and in vogue Hollywood facial, which is basically a modification of laser toning with Q-switch and DAG, but using a layer of carbon powder. This carbon powder absorbs additional heat and makes your skin tighter, makes your pores look smaller. The subsequent courses of Nd:YAG laser toning reduces your skin tone, gives your skin a nice glow and gives you excellent rejuvenation. I use one of the world's finest, which is called an Iris S Plus Q-switch Nd:YAG laser. This is an active Q-switch Nd:YAG laser, not a passive one. We've already done one set of pass of the laser where we make the carbon powder get inside the pores, make it penetrate deeper and heats up the skin. We are directly jumping to the second step, which is the main step. Stop the vacuum. So as you can see, the laser instantly vaporizes the carbon powder. We are going to do this for the whole face. Now this takes care of your superficial glow and pigmentation, and the step after this is going to be for the deeper pigmentation. So we've done the first pass where we've vaporized the carbon powder applied. Now we are going to do the second pass. This pass targets more of the stubborn pigmentation because this is done with higher energies, and one of the effects that my patients love the most is it also instantly bleaches out and vaporizes all your finer facial hairs. I hope you're able to appreciate that in this video too. Let's have a look. So if you notice this part of the forehead where she has more facial hair, with a single pass of the laser, all those hairs just disappear. Now let me be clear, this is not a permanent hair removal laser, this is a pigmentation laser. So those hairs are going to grow back, especially the very thick ones, which is why you require a hair removal laser separately. However, the finer hairs generally reduce over time. And this step completely elevates the requirement for any kind of a bleaching or facial after the treatment. So as you can see, we are done with the function, we are done with the service. Her skin appears a little red and bumpy, which is normal. We've done cooling, we are going to do some more cooling. Her skin is going to recover. In about 2 to 3 days time, her skin is going to be absolutely glowing and ready for her important function. Her facial hairs have disappeared, her uneven skin tone is much less, and the irritation and the mild redness is going to be less in another couple of hours. Thank you for watching.